Hey everybody, let me share something with you. I got a Prusik loop from Gap Arborist in Pennsylvania, and this is a 10 millimeter, and it is stitched because I made a video that showed how to make an adjustable friction saver, but I use cordage and I made knots in it. I like this option better, so I figured let me try this. So you get a ring, a large ring, and you get the length of rope that you need. And this is how I made my adjustable friction saver in one of my videos. But on this, for the small ring, I had some, this is 8 millimeter, I think, cordage. And I had tied it that way with the small ring. Now I thought about getting one of these because like I said, it's stitched and it's a lot cleaner because I don't have to have knots. So it's not as bulky. And this is made from um, 10 millimeter cordage, and so I like that heavy better because it's heavier and a little bit stronger. I tie a stopper knot at the end, and so say if you had the adjustable friction saver, say around the tree like this, you have the large ring and a small ring. I'm going to link to the video, and I'm also going to link to Gap Arborist in Pennsylvania because I got a few things from them, and I like them. They're not like a big company, but I found them and I kind of like them. So let's just say you have your climbing rope through the two rings, and when you remove your climbing rope from between the two rings, and you tie a prusik, and you have both rings, and there's no knot there on the left. You see on the right, you see how clean it is, and you have when you take your climbing line out of it, you're gonna tie a knot. The knot is gonna pass through the big ring, but it's obviously not going to pass through the small ring, and that's how you pull it out of the tree. So I'm gonna link to those videos or that video. And again, this is from Gap Arborist in Pennsylvania. It's a Prusik ring, and I like using this to make my homemade adjustable friction saver. So this just a thought. This is what I'm doing. I'm not telling you what to do, but this is how I'm gonna roll with this adjustable friction saver. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.